The waterways and riverbanks are the big cat's natural hunting grounds, and to be a success, every jaguar has to learn their patch of the Pantanal. There are huge numbers of caiman in the Pantanal, but they are not easy to catch. The jaguar's technique is to sneak up as silently as possible. Jaguars are immensely strong, able to ambush prey bigger than themselves. The hunter waits for its chance. The jaguar has the most powerful bite of all the big cats. Its teeth penetrate the caiman's skull, paralyzing it.